Number 9 to lesson 6 unit 9 from المعاصر book page 12. Look at with me about question here. Number 1, letter A. Letter A. 2 and 2 or 3 subtract about 1 and over 8. We can find the least common multiplication between two denominators 3 and 8. It will be 24. Write 24 here and 24. And write 2 and 1. 3 times 8 equals 24. 2 times 8 equals 16. 3 times 8 equals 24. 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 minus 1 equals 1. And write 24 in the numerator. 16 minus 3, it will be 13. The result will be 1 and 13 over 24. Understood? Steps, we found here the least common multiplication between two denominators. Which shall letter B? 1 and 1 over 8. 1 and 1 over 8 product by 2 and 2 over 3. Here, convert from proper to mixed number. Write 8 and 1 times 8 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. Product by, write 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And 8 divided 8 equals 1. 8 divided 8 equals 1. 3 here divided by 3 will be 1. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And then 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 1 equals 1. Then 3 over 1 equals 3. The result here, it will be 3 about question letter B. Look at with me about question letter C. 1 and 1 over 8 plus 2 and 2 over 3. In this example, we can find the least common multiplication between two denominators. It will be 24 because 3 and 8 we call it relatively prime numbers. Write 1 and 24 in the numerator. 3 times 8 equals 24. 1 times 3 equals 3. And then write 24. 3 times 8 equals 24. 2 times 8 equals 16. And then 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then write 24 in the numerator. 3 plus 16 equals 19. Then the result will be 3 and 19 over 24. Next question. Letter D. 1 and 1 over 8. Product by 2. Convert here. 1 times 8 equals 8. Plus 1 equals 9. Times 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Then the result will be 1 times 9 equals 9. 9 over 4. Convert this number, we called it improper. Convert it to mixed number. Write 4 in the numerator. And 2 times 4 equals 8. Just after 8, 9. The remainder 1. Then the result will be 2 and 1 over 4. Next question, letter E. Letter E. 2 and 3 over 8 subtracted by 1 and 5 over 8. 3 minus 5, we can't do it. So you must borrow 1 from left hand side. Here 2 will be 1. And 1 equals 8 over 8 plus 3 over 8. It will be 11 over 8. Subtract by 1 and 5 over 8. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Don't write whole numbers here. And write 8 in the numerator. 11 minus 5 equals 6. 6 over 8, you can simplify it by divided by 2 numerator and denominator. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Next example, letter F. We have 3.5 plus 2 1/4. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominators. It will be 4. 4 can divide by 2. And write 3 here. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 1 equals 2. And then add them. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And write 4 in the numerator. 2 plus 1 equals 3. The result will be 5 and 3 over 4. Next question, number 2. Petra lives 3/4 kilometers from school. Paula lives 1/3 times as far away from a school as Peter. How far school does Paula live? Okay. He tells us Paula lives 1/3 times. Times it's meaning multiplication. This word, it's meaning what? Multiplication. Times it's meaning multiplication. Okay. Then the result about question letter E. we can write 3 over 4 product 1 and 1 over 3 to find the distance. Write 4 here, 3 over 4 times, write 3 in the numerator, 1 times 3 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 over 4 times the inverse exponent about this number, it will be 1. Okay, the result here, it will be 1. It was question letter A. 1 kilometer. Look at question letter B. Here, Pera had 10.5 Egyptian lira in his pocket. Okay, again. Pera had 10.5 Egyptian lira in his pocket and 15 3/4 Egyptian lira in his bank. How much money did he have? We can find the total. To find the money with Pera, we can add which money with him and which money in the bank. He gave the total will be 10, so I will write 10.5. The money with Pera now. Okay, he had 10.5 Egyptian lira and his pocket in his pocket, and his bank write 15 3/4. To find the sum of them, you must write the least common multiplication between the numerator 4 and here 15 and 3/4. Don't change this number, but 10.5 you can change this number by product by 2 numerator and numerator. 2 times 1 equal 2, 2 times 2 equal 4, write 10, 10 plus 15 equal 25, and write 4 in the numerator, 2 plus 3 equal 5, 5 over 4, you can convert this number from improper to mixed number, write 25 plus 1 and 1 over 4, see 5 over 4, convert 1 and 4th, because 5 divided by 4 equal 1 and the remainder 1, and then you can add 25 plus 1, it will be 26, and 1 over 4, here it will be Egyptian lira. The total money was Petra or Pera, okay? Question number 3. Choose the correct answer. Letter A. By using the fraction tiles, the sum of third and fourth equal what? Okay, we can add them by writing the least common multiplication between two denominator. We have third and fourth. The least common multiplication between them equal 12. 3 times 4 equal 12. 1 times 4 equal 4. 3 times 4 equal 12. 1 times 3 equal 3. And then write 12 in the numerator. 4 plus 3 equal 7. The result will be 7 over 12. Next question, letter B. The mixed number 3/4 can be regrouped as what? We know 3 times 4 equal 12 plus 1 equal 13. Then the result will be 13 over 4. Convert from mixed number to improper. 3 product by 4 equal 12. 12 plus 1 equal 13. Question letter C. Which of the following is equivalent to 4 over 5? You can convert 4 over 5 here by product numerator and denominator in the same number. 4 times 2 equal 10. 2 times 5. 4 times 2 equal 8. 2 times 5 equal 10. 8 over 10. We haven't here, but 4 can convert to 16 by product by 4. Product by 4 here and product by 4. 4 times 5 equal 20. Then the result will be letter D. Choose letter D about question C. Next question number 4. Answer the following. Yusuf's dad said he will give him 7.5 Egyptian lira if he works 1 hour. How much will he give him for 3 hours and 15 minutes? 3 hours and 15 minutes is means 3¼ hour. You can write 3¼ hour product by 7.5 because Yusuf's dad he will give him 7.5 Egyptian lira in 1 hour. If he works 1 hour, he will give him 7.5 Egyptian lira. In this example, how much he asked, how much will he give him for 3 hours and 15 minutes? Okay, first you must know 3 hours and 15 minutes. It's equality 3¼ hours. Why? Because 15 minutes, it's 4 hours. We know 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and 50 minutes equal 40 hours. Understood? 1 hour 60 minutes, fourth hour equal 15 minutes. So you must convert from minute to hour by divided by 60. How we can write 50 over 60 in the simplest fraction here by divided by 15, numerator and denominator. 15 divided by 15 equal 1, and 16 divided by 15 equal 4. Then 15 minutes, convert it from minutes to hour, divided by 60. It will be 1 over 4. Okay, then 3 and 4, he worked 3 and 4 hour. If he worked 3 and 4 hour, he will give him in 1 hour 7.5. Then we can find the total about money with him. What is the money, or how much will his father give him for 3 hours and 15 minutes? He will give him, right, product between the money in 1 hour 7.5. He will give him 7.5 gypsy lira in 1 hour. He worked 3 and 4 hours. Then you can find product between them by write 2 times 7 equal 14 plus 1 equal 15. Convert here, 3 times 4 equal 12 plus 1 equal 13. And then 2 times 4 equal 8, and 15 product by 13. Right here, 15 times 13. 3 times 5 equal 15. 5 and carry up 1. 1 times 3 equal 3 plus 1 equal 4 plus and write 0. 1 times 5 equal 5. 1 times 1 equal 1. Eat them. It will be 195 over 8. And then you can sample this example here to simplest form because it's improper. We can write 8 in denominator. 19 divided by 8 equal 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. Just after 16, 17, 18, 19. Remainder 3. Here 35 divided by 8 equal 4. 4 times 8 equals 32. Just after 32, 33, 34, 35. Then the remainder will be 3. Then he will have 24 and 3/8 Egyptian lira. Okay, it's a very important questions about question number 4. Understood? He will give him what? This money, okay? 24 and 3/8 Egyptian lira. Because he will work at 1 hour. If he work 1 hour, he will give him 7.5 Egyptian lira. He will work at 3 hours and 15 minutes. 3 hours and 15 minutes is meaning 3 and 4 hours. We can find the product between two numbers, convert each of them. First step, convert from mixed number to improper here, and product by numerator and denominator by denominator. Then the result will be 195 over 8. And then you can find long division between two numbers, or write 19 divided by 8 equal 2 and the remainder 3. 35 divided by 8 equal 4. 4 times 8 equals 32 and the remainder 3. Then the result will be 24 and 3/8 Egyptian lira. Question letter B. Write two different multiplication expressions that give the same product of 12 over 13 product by 16. Okay, we can write here 12, replace it by 16, or you can write 12 here. You want two numbers, okay? Question number 1, be attention. We have 12 over 13 product by 16. We can write 12 over 13 times 16 equal 2 times 8, and we know 2 times 12 equal 24. Then the first result will be 24 over 13 product by 8. We can find the product between two numbers here. Then it's the first solution. And second solution, you can replace 8 with 2. Write 8 times 12 and here 2. Or you can write here 12 equal 3 times 4 here over 13. And we have here 8 outside. And write 3 over 13 product by 4 times 8 equals 32. Second solution. Then you won't find in this example two different multiplication expression that give the same product of 12 over 13 product by 16. It's the first number and this second number. Okay, we have two solutions. Okay, understood? You can write 16 any method as you like. 16 equal 4 by 4 and 4 times, or you can write here 12 over 13 product by 4 by 4. You can choosing here this number 4 by 4 as you like, because 4 times 4 equals 16, and then find 4 times 12 equal 48 over 13 product by 4 here. Okay, it's the result. So you can write the result, first number and second number here about this example.